start that over. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. Please like and subscribe. We're going to be talking about our twin turbo F150 today.
Stock.
Yeah, stock as hell.
So what's the story with this?
So I traded to Cadillac. This was a friend of mine's, and he wanted the Cadillac worse than I wanted to keep it. And he took the car to AMP. So he's working on that car. He had this, and we worked out a trade where I made a little money off the Cadillac and ended up with this. And I don't know how long I'll keep it. We'll see, you know. But it's a nice vehicle. I like certain aspects of it, and it needs to be four-wheel drive for sure. It's two-wheel, but that kind of was what makes it fun to drive. So you never know when it's gonna, you know, act completely ignorant. I'm like half throttle right now, so
We're skating. What's the setup on the turbos and stuff?
It's I think it's not an on-3, it's a Hellion setup, I'm thinking. I'd have to go through everything, to be honest. I hadn't even looked that far into it. But it's got a lot of upgraded parts on it. So, I don't know if I'm gonna take it next, I'll probably put it on E at some point. You know, because
right now. Pump?
Yeah, it's on pump, yeah. Yeah. It's only making like, I think, 10 PSI right now. Needs air it definitely needs air to water intercooler instead of air to air. The air to air is fine, it just needs air to water instead. It doesn't like get super hot, but after like the third or fourth pull in a row, it starts getting toasty. I wouldn't say detonation level, but you know, they're warm. I can't remember who tuned it, but anyway, we know who will tune it.
That thing is nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even know that was on until like the other day when I actually popped the hood, and I was like, I need to check the oil. I was like, oh, it's got the same intake the Mustang does. Okay, cool. So,
this one's a little different.
Yeah.
That 1321.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. I need to pull that off and put it on the Mustang, I guess.
I think they're the same. I think they're the same.
I don't know anything about it. See, showed you what I know. You
gotta get that plasma, man, for the Mustang.
Like we got on the other car off there.
Yeah.
The car that we're still working on. So.
It's only a big Ford guy. Ford guy.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess I'm becoming one, whether I want to or not.
Right. It's the new wave, right?
Dodge is going out of business, so I mean, you know, I don't know what to tell them when they're a muscle car developer and they do, you know, a straight six and an electric car, and then they're like, I don't know why our base rejected us.
The truck is super clean.
Yeah.
I mean, have you been using it a lot, or?
Yeah. I've put probably 1,000 miles on it.
Dang.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been cruising it around. We had to get the shifters working, so I made a CAN bus adapter harness to make the Raptor shifters work on it, and a couple other things. But I didn't make them, we bought it. We just hooked it up. Yeah, he had VS turbos on there, and I think he finally went to something else. I can't remember what they are, but it'll probably be the next owner's problem. I like the truck and all, but I just don't need it. You know?
Sweet truck, though.
Yeah, it is sweet. Yeah.
Think it'll do a wheelie?
On the track, probably. If you say it would have to have a two-step and some other things on it, probably. Yeah, it would do it. Yeah, it's pretty rowdy.
You said it's only making 10 pounds? Oh, because it's on pump, right?
Yeah, it's on 93. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and sometimes at long starts, I'm pretty sure the check valve in the fuel system is failing. So, I'll fix that. It's got a brand new fuel pump over there, so I'm thinking it's the one that's in the line between the tank and the deal. That sometimes, like, if it sits for a little while, it'll have trouble hot starting. And I'm pretty sure that's what it's gonna be. And if I was to remake it, I wouldn't have that silicone hose on there either. I'd put a vibrant system on it and be done.
So it doesn't pop off?
It hasn't yet, but I just don't like silicone. So I was the same way on the Vet. It needs to be a vibrant system. There's so much better options out there than there used to be. But other than that, we drove it through fields,
yeah, you could tell.
Yeah, we used it like a farm truck. So don't hit the window. That's not me.
I think you did, Lucas.
It wasn't me. Not this time.
Oh, this is sweet.
Yeah.
It really is a Raptor interior, the whole shebang.
Yeah. The only thing that doesn't work is this.
Push start?
Yeah. We're going to have to do something about that because that's annoying.
Alright, so F-150 Raptor.
Yeah, the really I would call it more of a Lightning than a Raptor. It just has Raptor interior. So it's what the Lightning that Ford should have built instead of
the electric.
Yeah, whatever that was.
They got us good though.
Yeah, I mean
all the commercials are so fire.
Yeah. Yep.
And you said this one's only 2-wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
We're skating. Wow. 100% 2-wheel drive.
It's sketchy.
Yeah, it is. I seen you holding that steering wheel with 2 hands.
Yeah, one of them shifting it.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, because normally you gotta like bump it, right? Down here?
Yeah, you can do it right here.
A little plus and minuses.
Yeah. This one has one of these, like, that's one there's a giant hole right here.
Yeah.
I've got to get another deal for, but there's usually this stick that hangs out of there. I think they did a pretty good job building it.
Yeah, it looks like this is how it should have came.
Yeah.
I mean, that is, yeah, this center console should have came.
Yep.
Like